Hello everyone, welcome to PRV Solution. So in this video lecture we will study important topic logic analyzer. So logic analyzers are used for the analysis of the digital circuits. So let us discuss introduction. A logic analyzer is an electronic instrument that captures and displays multiple signals from a digital system. Means it is used to display the multiple signals from the digital systems or circuits such as a microprocessor based system or digital circuits. So a logic analyzer may convert the captured data into timing diagrams. As we know that logic analyzer is used for testing the digital circuits or digital systems. So it can convert the captured data into timing diagrams, state machine traces, assembly language. Some logic analyzers can convert that data directly into assembly language or may correlate assembly with the source level softwares. Logic analyzers have advanced triggering capabilities and are useful when a user needs to see the timing relationship between many signals in a digital systems. So it is used to display multiple signals, so we can see the timing relationship between these multiple signals in a digital system. Oscilloscope has two limitations. That's why it cannot be used as a logic analyzer. First is the high speed random pulses cannot be observed easily, which is coming from the digital circuits. And second is the oscilloscope cannot monitor a few signal lines simultaneously. So oscilloscope has limitation for monitoring the signals. Typical oscilloscope can show the maximum number of inputs 4. For these reasons, the logic analyzer has been developed. Oscilloscope can perform many of the function of a logic analyzer, but the logic analyzer is able to display relative timing of a large number of signals, as oscilloscope cannot show these timing of the large number of signals because of the limitation, these two limitations. However, many oscilloscopes are now able to incorporate many logic analyzer function in what may be termed as a mixed signal oscilloscope. Now we have another important device which is known as MSO. So MSO has both the capabilities of oscilloscope as well as logic analyzers. The logic analyzers enables the activity of many digital signals point to be recorded simultaneously and then examined in detail. So we can record many signals simultaneously and then we can analyze the detail of that signals. The information is recorded with respect to a clock signal to determine whether they are high or low with respect to a defined threshold. So here the information is recorded with clock signal and that clock signal may be internally or externally generated. The information is stored in memory and is then available for detailed analysis via the logic analyzer's display. This is the block diagram of logic analyzer. We have digital system under test, other system which we want to test, and this clock can be externally or internally generated. We have data gathering unit, then information processing and storage unit, then display unit. So this is the block diagram for the logic analyzer. We will discuss it now. Figure shows the block diagram of the typical logic analyzer. It has a data gathering unit, information processing and storage unit, and a display unit. The data gathering unit has a port slot for carrying data from the digital system under test. So it has a port slot, means slots which gathers the data from the digital system, and a keypad. It also has a keypad. The keypad is used to enter commands and set up the parameters that are logic analyzer that the logic analyzer will use. So logic analyzer is used or given some commands through these keypad. And the last is the display unit, is a CRT tube that displays the command menu for the operator and also displays the output data of the device under test. Now, logic analyzer characteristics. There are several characteristics of a logic analyzer that separates it from multi-channel oscilloscope and other test instruments. First is the multiple channels. Logic analyzers are designed to monitor a large number of digital lines. They are used to monitor large number of digital lines, as logic analyzers are optimized for monitoring a large number of digital circuits. Typically, they have anywhere between 32 to 200 plus channels. Logic analyzer may have 32 to 200 plus channels they can monitor, and each channel means monitoring of the one digital line. Second characteristics, provided time display of logic states. Logic analyzers possesses a horizontal time axis and a vertical axis to indicate a logic high or low state. In this way, a picture of the digital lines can be easily displayed. Third characteristic is display logic states. Logic states are in the form of high and low. The vertical display on the analyzer displays the logic state as high or low. It provides a logic timing diagram of the various lines being monitored. Means it can monitor 30 to 200 plus lines, and we can see the high and low states of these 32 to 200 plus channels simultaneously. Does not display analog information. These test instruments do not present any analog information, and in this way they differ from the oscilloscope. Now, the application of analyzers. First application is hardware and software debugging, parametric mixed signal testing. Third is the hardware simulation and the stimulus response testing, and the last is the complex debugging with deep memory. So, these are some applications of the logic analyzer, and it is an advanced analyzer. Thanks for watching.